How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can fix your stuck power button on your JBL headphones. Now, this is a very common problem that most people occur when using the JBL headphones. And basically, when you encounter this, the first thing that you want to do is to just press the button repeatedly, making sure that you press the button clearly. Now, if that doesn't work, you could also try blowing into the corners of the buttons itself. Now, basically, in this way, we'll be able to clear some dust or debris stuck within the button itself. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to grab yourself a small item. Something like a toothpick will work. You could just scrape off the dust and debris stuck on the buttons right here, and you will be able to simply fix the problem right after. So those are just the ways. If you clearly want to fix this, you have to remove the entire shell and find out what's stopping the power button from making contact on your circuit board. So you could just clear that and that will be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.